So how to maintain oral health as barrier against viruses. So it's commonly known that the COVID-19 lurks in the oral mucosa, in the nose and in the sinuses. So what can we do locally to improve oral health? This would be something like using coconut oil pulling. The monolauric acid in the coconut oil is actually antiviral. Propolis seems to have a good antiviral or mucosal immunity boosting effect, as well as disinfecting the oral cavity, the skin, the nose with HOCl, which is hypochlorous acid. Dietrich Klinger was talking about that yesterday in a few days, and this seems to be a good way to disinfect. Then something like tongue scraping is always recommended to keep everything as clean as possible. And yeah, in terms of toothpaste, you can do your own one on coconut oil base, but at least avoid known chemicals like fluorides. On the other hand, what is very important is that you don't stress your immune system and that you supply your body with the right nutrients to help with optimizing saliva and building teeth from outside through saliva and also from the inside. So the most common things you should avoid in terms of being most pro-inflammatory foods are dairy, sugar, grains, and the highly refined omega-6 fatty acids. I know, guys, I'm talking about this all the time, but it's basically that simple. Go as anti-inflammatory as possible. Increase your omega-3 fatty acids because those are anti-inflammatory. At least 2 grams per day are recommended. And increase your protein intake to at least 1.5 to 2 grams per kilogram body weight, because amino acids are basically part of your whole immune system, which will further boost immunity against viruses and common colds. And the general consensus would be increase your vitamin C to at least 2 grams per day, up to 6 grams, which is the recommendation of Dr. Chang from Shanghai. You could also do IVs at the doctor. And magnesium should go as high as 2 grams in terms of salts, like magnesium citrate. Elementary magnesium about 300 for female and 400 milligrams for males. Also super important, of course, is the vitamin D3 level. Go outside in nature, get the sun, but at least supplement with 10,000 IUs of vitamin D3 and 100 micrograms of K2 every day to further boost immunity, help against viruses, etc. Because your body and your teeth are able to build themselves from the inside. It's kind of like you're activating your inner doctor and supply what's needed to build, remineralize through the saliva, but also build teeth and bone and immune system from the inside. Of course, we could further talk about oral interference, which you always should address in terms of optimal health, like chronic interference like metals, root canals, and cavitations, but that's part of another topic. I hope that helps.